The Hyundai ACL circuit racing category offers racers numerous opportunities to race their cars in a variety of events. In 2024, Tasmanian competitors will have competed in a 6-round state championship, a 1-hour enduro, and supported mainland race categories at the Race Tasmania events at Baskerville and Simmons Plains. One of the quickest car and driver combos currently competing in the Tasmanian Championship is Ollie Wickham in his ex-Brodie Kostecki built XL. Yep, that Brodie Kostecki. Also competing in Tassie in the Masters category is Peter Kingston in an XL he built and put together himself. Due to the XL category becoming so popular Australia-wide, numerous bolt-on performance and safety parts are available to enable anyone who knows how to operate a drill and socket set to put together their own Hyundai XL race car. The Wickham car was initially stripped to a bare shell when being built and a roll cage welded into the body. The engine bay and interior were then painted and any excess dirt and grime removed from the body. This is where the main differences between the Wickham and Kingston cars are. The Kingston car features a bolt-in roll cage that can be fitted to the car with a drill and a socket and spanner set. Everything else between the cars is more or less available as a bolt-in control part, performance part or safety item. There are numerous off-the-shelf cold air intakes and exhausts available, bolt-in race seat mounts and roll cages, one with basic tool knowledge. The suspension is all controlled with everyone running the exact same spec coilovers. This has made the Hyundai XL class one of the most competitive and cheap to enter classes in all of Australian motorsport. The nationwide success of the category means that anyone with basic tool knowledge can build a car and join in the fun. Check out the Hyundai XL Tasmania Facebook page if you would like to be involved in the fastest growing motor racing category in Australia.